This is Ron back here. I just want to let you know of a tremendous Amazon Prime Day sale here now. Amazon Prime Days is July 16th and 17th, and use some tremendous deals. And one of the best drone deals we were able to find is the DJI Mini 4K, the drone that just released early this year, kind of DJI's budget line of drones here. It did sell at a price of $299, but now it's at the all-time low price of $239. That's about more than 20% off. Yeah, like 20% off. So and this deal will go away quickly. So if you order today, like if I order today, I would get it by Saturday, July 20th. If you're a Prime member and you get the free shipping. Just to put this in perspective, there's some other Prime Day drone deals too. The X1, that little selfie drone that takes off in your hand. I think that what's his name? That Revives company makes it here. I can't pop the name up, but that little drone. All the reviewers reviewed it a couple months ago. It's on sale for $359, and that's down from $479, and that's a quite a bit of savings. But that drone, it's a great little selfie drone for what it is, but it's nowhere as the capabilities of the Mini 4K as far as a drone where you actually want to fly it with a set of sticks. And like the Roku drone is $239, so it's the same exact price as the Mini 4K. And the Roku, the camera's quality isn't even the same ballpark. Like the X1 I just mentioned, the selfie flying camera drone, it doesn't even have 4K. The Holystone HS900, you've seen a lot of people review, as well as Marcus Crawford, that's on Prime Day deal of $419. And nothing against that drone here, but I wouldn't say it has the camera quality of the Mini 4K. And I'm not talking about specs on the side of the box. I'm talking about how good the video looks on your computer screen. So yeah, and the Potensic Atom SE 4K electronic image stabilization camera drone is $229. I believe that's the one that doesn't even have a 3-axis gimbal. You only have that EIS, and that's only $10 cheaper. So you can see how great of a deal the Mini 4K is when compared to the other competition, that have Prime Day deals. And now there's no Prime Day deal on this, but you get an additional Mini 2 intelligent flight battery that works on all the Mini 2 series of drones, including the Mini 4K, for $49. So if you throw that in your cart with the $239, so for basically like $299, you can have a kit of Mini 4K with 2 batteries. So that's not a bad deal at all. You could probably find yourself a little $20 under case for all this equipment on Amazon too. In fact, I'm looking at one here. Skyread's got one for $20.24, $20.24. So yeah, that Mini 4K is the best deal I've seen out here on Amazon Prime. Like for instance, the Air 3, the Flymore combos, like $300 off instead of like $1,500 and change is $1,200 and change now. So there's probably better deals at the high end, but if you're trying to have a low budget, tight budget, you want to stay well under $200 or whatever, this is the deal. So I will drop links down below. Please consider using any Amazon affiliate links I put up. I'm not a big channel. I don't make much money off YouTube AdSense, so that the Amazon affiliate links can really help me out. So yeah, thumbs up if you like the video, subscribe, ring the bell, and and we will see you at the next video.